How to use WeTransfer to send files. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily use WeTransfer to send large files. So what I'm going to do is open up my File Explorer first, go to my pictures. So here are quite a few pictures that I want to send. So I recommend you first zip the files and then send it to WeTransfer. So what I'm going to do here is create a new folder. So I'm going to name it WeTransfer. Go to folder and then I'm going to name it WeTransfer. So let me just copy a few of the images from here, and then I'm going to paste it right inside here. All right, so once you have your folder ready, you can right click on it and then compress to. You're going to have to compress it to a zip file. So here is the zip file. Now open up your web browser and go to WeTransfer.com. If you want, you can log in or just simply add files from here. Click on Add Files, go to the same folder. Here is the zip file. I'm going to select it. So you can send large files from here if you are able to zip them. So send here, you're going to have to enter the recipient's email. So let me just go ahead and enter the recipient's email. Once you've entered the email, just enter your email so that the recipient knows who has sent it. Then if there are any messages that you want to send, you can just write in the message. And click on continue. You could also choose the expiry date for the image. So if you want, you could set this to 1 day or 3 day, but remaining you're gonna have to pay for it. Now click on continue and you should be good to go. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.